Hello, kids. How you doing? Well, one more day here with you. I love it. All right. Hope everybody's fine. I hope all your family are fine and everybody around you. Okay. Intercultural. Okay. So we are continuing with Unit 11. All right. And we done this last Tuesday. Okay. I sent you a video with the beginning of the vocabulary of this unit. I'll read you some of this. I'm gonna go through very quick, okay? Because we have a happy birthday here, a birthday party, and these next worksheets, they talk about a little bit about those birthday parties, okay? So we're gonna use this type of grammar, okay? And I'm gonna do a listening for you. It's a very long listening, okay? So you can do the listening at home. Remember, you have the listenings at home too, but I'd rather if I do it slowly and I do it for you, okay? The problem is trying to make different voices, moms and daughters, okay? And that's the hard one. That's the hard part, but I'll try it, okay? Well, all right. Another thing, I'm going to send you now all the links of every video I put so you can show mom and dad. I'm going to say this very, very quick. Mamás y papás, un apartado donde estén todos los links de los vídeos anteriores. Lo voy a poner, muchos de vosotros me lo habéis pedido, ¿ok? Así que pondré los links de YouTube, ¿ok? De todas formas está sin ánimo de lucro, solo para los niños, están en YouTube, ¿ok? Thank you. Anyway, let's see. Okay, now look over here. We have a nice, beautiful birthday party. It says happy birthday there. Okay, we only see happy B. Okay, but it's happy birthday. We, as I tell you, we have some lemonade. We have a present here. I guess this is rice or some type of thing like that. Okay, we have cake. We have lemonade. I love it. We got some fries. Look at this barbecue. It's ready to pour some beef on it, like this burgers and this sausage over here. Here we got some balloons over here to decorate. Okay, now we have a bowl of fruit with oranges, bananas, and pears. And here we got some watermelons. And like lemonade, we got some orange juice over here. Okay. Now in this side over here, okay, remember it was just a listening point and sing. I like a great big chocolate cake, and I like one for me. I like a nice long sausage, and I like one for me. I like a burger and some fries. I like a drink of lemonade, and I like some for me. I like colored pencils. I like a box of colored pencils. Don't give any. Okay, well, that was very fun to sing. Okay, I don't know the song. I just read it. Okay, let's go for the next one. Excuse me. All right, Monty's phonics. Okay, remember, they're here. We always do the phonics. Okay, so here we are using purple, pur. Remember that we have problems with that word. Purple, purple. No pulpo ni purpe. It's purple. Let your tongue kind of um, kind of fluid through your. Let it go fluid through your mouth. Purple, purple, purple. Okay. Ur. Okay. Verd. Okay, verd. Girl. Okay, here we have purple, the color purple. Bird, girl. A purple bird for the birthday girl. Wow, not bad, huh? All right, now down below, we have a menu. You remember those menus we eat at home, we eat at school? Okay. Here we got burgers, sausages, meatballs, fish, fries, tomatoes, carrots. And for drinks, we have lemonade, orange juice, milk, and water, healthy water. Okay. Well, this little girl says, "What would you like to eat?" He says, "I like a burger and fries, please." And she asks him, "And what would you like to drink?" He says, "I like orange juice, please." Well, not bad, huh? Now, all right, here we go. And he says here, "It's Mary's birthday today. Let's have a party for Marie. Let's make her a pencil cake." "No, Trevor. Mary will like a lemon cake." "Let's have birthday." "No, Masks Man. It isn't your birthday." "Now let's make the cake." "Shh. Mary's coming." "Now we can make her a cake." "Happy birthday, Mary." "Thank you, boys. Would you like to come to the cafe with me?" "Can I have some pencil cake, please?" Very funny. Very, very good. Okay, that wasn't bad. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, now let's go to the activity book. Okay, I'll send you a copy of this, but I'd rather if you take this off in this book first because I'm gonna make you this listening. All right, so you can do it at home. It's a very long listening. Okay, so I'm gonna go slowly so you hear everything fine. Okay, here in this exercise, okay, what we're gonna do is try to put it in the right order. Look, fries, some will like you. The right order is, would you like some fries? Okay, well, we're going to do exactly the same thing over here. Try to make it as neat as you can. Now here, right here, okay, we have a little exercise. I think it's a bit hard, okay, but try to make as best you can. Okay, let's see if I get the right size. Whoop, that's too much. What's going on here? Come on. Well, let's leave it like that. Okay, here we got name, food. So we're going to read and write the information. Here there is all the information about Anne, May, Ben, and Sam. They tell you what they like to eat, what they like to drink, or what are they playing. Okay? Remember that it says it's Anne's birthday. That's her right there. So that's a hint. Okay? And she's having lunch with her three friends, May, Ben, and Sam. Now, look. Okay, let's read. May will like some chicken and chips, and she'll like some orange juice. So May's right here. She got some chicken and chips. What are we going to write here? Yes, orange juice. Very good. Okay. Ben will like some meatballs and potatoes. Where is Ben? Right here. So now we know what Ben's like. What have we read? Potatoes. Potatoes. I love it. Okay. One boy will like some sausages and tomatoes, and he'll like some water. So here's the one with the water. And again, maybe could be Sam, maybe. I would put Sam right there. And he's telling me what he likes. Sausages and tomatoes. Okay, the water is already served. Two children would like some lemonade. Well, 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 well. Did they tell me anything about the drink of May? Yes, because I have orange juice. So you already have something here. Orange juice. We have water. So here's the lemonade. And I have two empty boxes. Could be here. Yes, it is. And I know who is this one here because I already filled this one with Sam. So now I know this is her right here. Yeah. Okay. The two boys will like. And so we know which ones are the boys and the girls. Badminton is already down here for the girl. Badminton here. And the rest will be hockey. Okay, one girl would like some carrots and rice. It's her birthday. We're talking about Anne, right? Yes. So we know what to put here already. Okay. Well, that was very simple. All right, let's go for this one. This one is very long. Okay. And I'm going to have to be reading it for you guys because it's impossible for me to get all this information in my head at once. All right. So let's go with this. Now, listen and draw lines. Okay. There's one example. Okay. Is this picture of your friends of your birthday? Yes, they're eating lunch. Look, there's Jill. What's Jill eating? Are they sausages? Yes, she eats a lot of sausages. Okay, now listen and draw lines. 1. Can you see Mark? Who is Mark? He's there. He's eating an ice cream. Oh, yes, it looks great. I love ice cream. So do I. 2. There's Tom. He's eating a burger. It's a very big burger. Yes, Tom loves them. 3. There's May. Is that May? Is that May there? What is she eating? Are they chips? Yes, she loves chips. She eats lots of them. Me too. 4. Where's your friend Hugo? Hugo is there. He's eating some cake. Is it a chocolate cake? Yes, it is. 5. And there's my friend Kim. Kim's eating fruit? Yes, she is. What is it? It's a kiwi. Do you like them? Oh, yes, I do. Perfect. Okay. Well, kids, we're done with the lesson today, and I hope you understand everything I tell you about this listening. Since it's recorded, you can put it and go through it, and you can see it. Like I said, sin ánimo de lucro, please. Okay, this is for you guys only, not for nobody else. Okay, and you can see it in YouTube. Okay, and well, kids, love to be here with you guys one more day. Love all of you. I hope everybody's fine. I hope everybody's well. We have a weekend of with a holiday and try to have fun. Okay, and I'll send you the answers of the last exercise. You find them in the blog. Well, bye bye. See you later and have fun. Love you all. Take care. Be good. Do exercises now that you can. And treat mom and dad well. Bye. Love you.